Hey, how's it going, guys? It is the Hoff here, and today we have the unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch Series 5. This one is going to be the sport model. So as you see there, it is the Series 5 Space Gray aluminum case black sport band. This is the 44mm version, and I had to get this because I have the OG, or the Series 0 as people are calling it, Apple Watch, and one, they do not support it, and two, it now has issues where it's just not really working correctly. It won't even let me touch anything on the screen to input the code, and whenever I open up my phone, it doesn't automatically unlock the watch when it's paired. So I pretty much have put this to the side because nobody wants it, no trade value, and I went ahead and ordered this new one. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So it should be an easy peel process. Taking off the plastic. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that they went ahead now and have tabs here. Unfold, as you see, there's the watch's logo, and here you have a watch face, or I'm assuming you would typically open it from this way to show the watch face, and then this is the band. So first, let's get into the watch face. So there you have that. You have the watch face in a protective sleeve, and then designed by Apple. So I'm assuming this is where all the documentation will be in here on pairing and setup, which I will do off camera because I am still waiting on the new iPhone as well, which I will be doing a video on. But this one now includes a power brick. So this is going to be your standard 5-watt power brick. The battery in this doesn't need fast charging. This will be perfectly fine for your Apple Watch. It's pretty quick charging for the battery that's in there. And then, of course, you have your standard magnetic cable here for charging your Apple Watch. And next, let's get into the band itself. So there is a tab right here that says pull down, which then should allow you to peel open this layer right here to pull out. So you just pull out, and again, more documentation, which I don't really care for or need. The Apple Watch logo there. Your instructions on how to attach it if you are new to owning an Apple Watch, and then you have bands, and this one I believe is the small to medium band, and here you have the peel stickers. So sliding out the Apple Watch face, and then as you see here, it's going to be connecting. So they slide in place, so it shows connecting right there. Slide in place, and then I will try out the smaller band, and we will slide it right on into place. And there you have it, the luxurious Apple Watch 5. So the improvements on this Apple Watch compared to the rest is, of course, the processor is going to be better. The battery life is not going to be better in the sense of lasting longer. It has now an always-on display that looks to dim when you're not using it, and then when you start to lift it up, it's going to get brighter to where it's the max brightness that you have it set towards. So you're never going to have where it looks like this on your wrist and you're going to have to flick it, and maybe even a few times, as some people have stated their older watches have had to do, and have issues with it not coming on. So that is different. So you'll get the same 18 hours of battery life with that new battery in there. But apart from that, it still has the medical monitoring that they do, such as the heart rate and your fall detection and all the things that the Series 4 came with. But they have changed that this watch should alert your phone, or if you have the LTE model will make the phone call. And it now, I believe they said 150 countries are listed in the emergency calling, where it can call their emergency call. So if you're in the US, that would be 911. So that is actually a pretty cool thing. Apart from that, it just didn't seem like it was a huge upgrade from the Series 4. Those were the only two major things I took from the Apple conference. But if I do realize anything else over time, I will make an updated video on it. But mostly I just got it because, I mean, comparing the original to the new one, as you can see, it's just a little bit bigger, and the crown is a little bit different. This crown has haptic feedback where this did not. And then, of course, the speakers are different because this one, oh, and it's supposed to be louder speakers. That was another key thing, louder speakers. And these speakers should push out water where this one does not. The second generation did, or the Series 2. But there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.